Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald and I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. I'm so excited to share this core workout with you guys because these are the exercises I literally do daily before my ballet classes every Monday to Friday. Let's get started with some toe taps, pointing our toes, just tapping our toes down and up, keeping our knees bent 90 degrees. Don't lift your lower back off the floor and keep your core engaged. Keep going, 40 seconds on as usual, 10 seconds off.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay, just let me be me.
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Take a quick 10-second breather, give yourself a hug. Next one, we're going to lift our head and our neck off the floor, and we're going to flex one foot to hover off the floor and bring it back to where it started. Then go to the other side. Kind of like bicycles, but keeping your core engaged here, lifting your head and your neck. Don't let your lower back lift off the floor. Keep going, 35 more seconds.
Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long.
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Give yourself a quick 10-second breather. After this, we're going to be putting our hands underneath our lower back for some support, lifting our head and our neck off as an option. And we're going to be beating our legs all the way down and all the way up, lowering our legs down to hover off the floor, and then going all the way back up. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Now for the next one, we're going to be keeping our hands underneath our bum again with our knees straight and parallel feet together. We're going to lower our legs all the way down, take them back up, and lift our seat off the floor like our feet are on some strings. You can also do this with a partner and they push your legs down. This one really gets your lower transverse abdominals. Keep going.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Now this one I usually do in the very beginning of my day to get my core engaged to start my day, but I put it in the middle as a little bit of a break. Inhale, reach your arms above your head, and exhale, peeling up all the way. Pilates roll-ups, each individual vertebrae coming off the floor and then going back the same way that you came. Keep going.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
And relax. Beautiful work. Next one, we're going to be propped up on our elbows for some bicycles. Keep your core engaged by making sure that your back is really straight from your head to your low back. Keep going. 40 seconds of bicycles. Switch the opposite way at the halfway point. And finishing. Next one, we have 40 seconds of a V hold. So sitting on your bum, legs are bent 90 degrees, toes are pointed. Take your back to a vertical position and let's get started. See if you can try the same thing with your legs turned out, toes towards the corners, and hinge back a little bit more. This one's a lot more challenging. And relaxing. Next one, we're going to be starting in a little fetal position in a little ball, pointing our toes, just tapping our big toe to the floor. And then as we exhale, we're going to lower our back and our legs as low as we possibly can to come back up to a little ball. Keep going. And relax. Next one, we have a 40-second plank with double knee taps. So get ready to swing your legs behind you on our elbows. We tap both knees at the same time, down and up. It is easier said than done. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Swing your legs around, lay back on your back, take your hands either underneath your bum or into a first position, and we just finish with regular leg lowers. If you have a partner, feel free to have them push your legs down to come back up. This one is really, really good for your core, really integral in your dance training. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing work, guys. You are done. Thanks so much for joining me today. Again, I use these exercises 5 days a week, every day, so feel free to implement them before your dance training. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now.